Here are 9 machines that you can buy on Alibaba and start a small business. Usually I give you machines that are under $1,000 US, but today I'm giving you machines that are starting from $5,000 US, because these machines have an opportunity to make you 7 figures each and every year, because you're going to be producing finished products that are already in demand. The first product that I have is an automatic paper pipe tube making machine. This is the machine that's going to be producing that roll or that tube that we find after using a paper or a tissue paper or a toilet paper. It could be found also in foils, in things like clings, and also maybe paper towels. So that tube is going to be the product that you're going to be producing. And the good thing about this product is that you are going to be selling it to big companies that are producing these finished products, like your paper tissue, your paper cling, or a foil. So those are the goods that you're going to be producing and supplying to other suppliers. The second machine, which also goes with the first machine, if you want to go big, you can also buy the paper tissue making machine. And after creating those tube pipes, you also create the tissue paper, and together you have a finished product that you can sell to big retail stores and also sell to other suppliers. So those are our first 2 machines. The third product is egg tray making machine. This is the machine that's going to be producing a whole tray of eggs. So these are going to be the products that you can sell to people who own poultry farms or people who do packaging, to package all different sizes of egg trays. And you're going to be selling to bigger companies again, because people who are also selling these products are also coining it big, and you are also going to be part of these companies. You're also going to be somebody that's producing this product or playing a role in producing the egg trays or producing the final product. The fourth machine is paper cup making machine. This is when you are producing paper cups for parties and also maybe picnics, and when people are traveling long distances and they don't want to carry their Tupperwares or their glasses. So you can sell this to retail stores and also to coffee shops. And this has a huge demand, because always in coffee shops, those are the cups that are now used. With parties, those are the cups that are now used. So this is a big business, which is going to take us to a similar business, which is paper plate making machines. These are the paper plates that are also used in parties. People don't want to wash the plates after the party. They just want to throw everything in their bins. So these are the products that you can produce as a finished product. But each and every finished product is going to need you to have raw materials. So you can search this according to your own location, and also some of these raw materials you can search them on Alibaba, so that you ship everything all together and you start making your first product. Taking us to the 6th machine, which is hydraulic paper puzzle die cutting machine. This is the machine that's going to be cutting puzzles. But for you to be able to have that puzzle, you can use sites like Canva. So you hire an illustrator. But the easiest thing is to go to Canva and you create your own cartoons. Canva is going to do all of that for you on Elements. You create your own cartoons, or if you want your puzzles to be about the biggest towns, the biggest cities, or the monuments, you just create those products on Canva and you print the card or hard box of a puzzle, and then this machine is only gonna cut the puzzle in a way that it's gonna be a finished product. And when customers buy the puzzle, it's already a puzzle that fits. You don't have to do anything manually because this is automatic, and you can sell these puzzles in retail stores. You can also sell these in marketplaces like Amazon, Takealot, or eBay. So you're gonna decide wherever you wanna sell this, but you can start small and sell to retail stores or supply to other suppliers. The 7th product is badge making machine. This is the machine that's going to be producing badges that you see maybe people in hotels wearing, people who work in huge retail stores wearing, and those badges, somebody is creating them. Like I said, all these machines are going to need raw materials, so you just have to find the pins, you have to buy also those tins that are going to be a complete puzzle, and also this machine is going to do everything for you. You only have to have the right pieces so that you create the finished product, which is badges, and you can sell to hotels. You make deals with businesses like hotels, retail stores, or restaurants as well, and then you supply badges to all these companies. Each and every time they have new employees, they come to you for badges. So you can be that person or that supplier who is supplying badges. It's going to depend on your design. It's going to also depend on the size of badges you make, but the smarter or the classy look is going to make you more money. The 8th machine is mobile brick making machine. This is a machine that's going to be producing bricks. Depending on where you come from, you're going to need sand, cement, you're going to need water. But because you're going to be doing this from the customer's home or from the customer's places, you're only going to just go with your machines and you get these raw materials at that place, and you produce your own bricks or the bricks according to the size that the customer prefers. So this is another machine that you can move around with, and you don't need to have a warehouse. You only have to store it after work, after you come back from producing the products. So this is another machine that you can start with, especially if you don't want to deal with storages or warehouses. This is a good one. Now that was our 8th machine. The last product is fruit juice processing machine. The good thing about this machine is that if you can produce a good juice or a better tasting juice, you can make deals with retail stores, and this machine can produce also a huge quantity, meaning it is easier for you to make deals with bigger retail stores because you're going to be producing the quantity that they want. And in the beginning also, you don't need a huge quantity when they're still testing your business, but you can also sell this locally. You can sell this in markets, you can sell this to people around you when you're just starting out. But juices, because every home need a juice, this is going to be a very good business that you can start. And those are the 9 machines that I have for you today. And if you have a good budget or you want to start a business that's going to grow, this is the right opportunity and the right time to start. Thank you so much for watching up to here. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.